Welcome to Standing Deer. Today we will see how to uninstall Python from your system, and it kind of feels not okay, but sometimes you get several versions of your Python installed on your system and you want to delete them or uninstall them. Simply deleting the directory doesn't make any sense, so you have to know the right process to uninstall Python from your system. So how can you do it? The simple and really retro way to do it is to go to control panel. You can get it by searching on the Windows search bar, like control panel. You will see that, but I already opened it. You can click it and open it. Go to the control panel and search for programs and features. So I'm just okay. I found the programs and features, and open the programs and features. And see where you see the name of Python, the version of the CPU. So click on it and right click on it, and you can change the way Python works and Python installed on system, or you can uninstall it. So we are here to have an intention of installing it, so we'll uninstall, and it will open the dialog box, same kind of like what you have seen when you have probably installed Python on your system. So it will start removing Python from your system, and it will take some time. Uninstall Python for Windows from a Windows system, and you can close the dialog box like closing on clicking on the close button, and you can see we have uninstalled Python from the system. And by this you can again install Python or whatever version you want. So it was that easy. Thank you for watching. uh, I'm glad that I'll feel glad if you have gained any value from this video. If you got, please like, share, and if you have any question, you can comment down below. And have a nice day.